Unum Provident Corporation is headquartered in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Their major business is protecting income. By that, they provide disability insurance as well as life insurance.
We're the electronic nervous system, if you will, for the insurance business. We handle the voice telephone calls, we handle the data communications. We have 13,000 employees that we support.
So our challenge is to make sure that we maintain not only the integrity, but also the redundancy and the backup of our network.
Unum Provident chose to meet this challenge by implementing Cisco teleworker technologies, deploying a unified solution which addressed their most important concerns.
We made the decision as a company to consolidate to one partner, to one solution, and Cisco being that partner.
One of the things they were looking for in the total solution was to keep the sales force out of the office as much as possible. And to do that, I mean, you obviously lose contact with email and voicemail. So when we implemented 831 routers doing a VPN tunnel and equipped their computers with an IP communicator, soft phone, call manager, Cisco unified messaging, and personal assistant, trained all the salespeople, keeping them out of the office, is even moving into their home offices to help us reduce the field office footprints.
Making them more productive, giving them tools that allow them to be out of the office.
By extending business applications to the home, Unum Provident provides its agents with added flexibility, allowing them to stay connected, assuring the highest level of customer service.
We're just in the preliminary stages of the teleworkers. The more that we keep the sales force out of the office, the more productive they're being. A good example would be we closed our Orlando sales office and then kept some of the sales reps. Now they'll be working out of their home. We've obviously reduced the real estate costs there, so they're not having to run back and forth to the office or pay to use the computers and Kinko's to check email and voicemail.
The 831's enterprise-level security also addressed Unum Provident's most critical concerns.
Security is the most important thing to Unum Provident. They are dealing with customer data that involves medical records, so they have to protect those to the highest degree.
All of our record keeping is stored in various data systems, and this is that seamless network that allows these things to happen.
You have to be up and running 100% of the time. You can't have any downtime, because when you need an insurance company, you want to be able to get in touch with them and you want to be able to get the service you require from them.
We really try to step back and say, what is behind the product set? Is there support? And to build the process behind it, because it's always going to be there. And I think Cisco does a good job in that space.
They've brought in a lot of resources to help us out. They've flown people in from all over the country to help us when we run into problems.
I expect that over time, as the Cisco product line enhances, that we're going to have a long and a very good relationship with Cisco equipment and Cisco Capital both.